Hello world, good morning, happy new year, because if you're listening to this when this episode is coming out, it is the very last day of 2019. And if you're like me, you're definitely looking forward to 2020. It's not only a new year, but a new decade. And I'm definitely feeling that inspiration to go out there and really make this the best decade yet. And in the spirit of New Year's, I know it's a time when lots of people are thinking about resolutions and also then thinking about motivation. Because one of the things we all know about New Year's resolutions is how it's so easy to start all gung-ho to go out there, approach your new goal, but how after only a few days or weeks, people start dropping off from what it is they initially planned to do. So there's that big question of motivation and how is it that people actually do transform. So the idea I wanted to share and explore with you today, it really is more than just one idea. It's a theory that encompasses a whole cluster of different ideas and approaches about motivation. But this idea is self-determination theory. Self-determination theory is robust in psychology. There have been hundreds, if not thousands, of papers that explore what self-determination means for being motivated, for being someone who will actually have the motivation necessary to go out there and achieve your difficult goals. So I wanted to introduce this to you, give you some resources so that you can start to explore this idea. But for me, I found even the three core components of self-determination theory have helped me think about how it is that I can level up my own motivation to achieve my New Year's goals. The three components of self-determination theory it is the acronym ARC, which is how I always remember it, ARC. It's autonomy, relatedness, and competence. And these get into the key intrinsic motivators that need to be there if you or anyone you love and care about is going to make real transformative change. Focusing on autonomy, relatedness, the relationships that interestingly support your autonomy, and then pursuing competence. So that is my one idea to share with you today as you may be thinking about your own motivation. So check out the resources on self-determination theory and let me know what you think. Happy 2020, everybody. Thanks for joining us today. Please don't forget to subscribe, review, and share this show. If you'd like exclusive content and behind-the-scenes insight, for just $4 a month, you can support us at buymeacoffee.com. Now, go make it a great day. Ask me why.